In this video, I'll be talking about the conference room scheduler setup. This setup is pretty straightforward. We're going to start here in general. The start time and the end time is going to be when you start renting rooms and when the last call, maybe for a reception or when all the clients have to be out of the room. This is all property dependent. So when you start the day, when you end the day. Snap behavior. So basically, the day, the week, and the timeline snap. The conference room scheduler is a drag and drop. So when you drag something, let's say you're dragging something from 8:02 and you want to drag it to the right, maybe 10-15 minutes. What the snap minutes basically means, it'll take it to the nearest 15 minutes of where you drop that. Basically, that's all that is. So if you want to bring it, the number down to the nearest minute or the nearest 2 minute or the nearest 15 or 30 minutes, that can be done here in increments. Orientation is basically the day view, the week view, and the timeline view. If you would like to see the scheduler horizontal or vertical, same with week, same with timeline. The display. This is the title type that you would like to see. If you'd like to see event description or if you'd like to see the conference group description in the conference room scheduler, you could play around with that and you can see the different views. We recommend you check these to unclutter the screen because there is going to be a lot of information on the conference room scheduler. So if you hide the conference room image and if you hide the unassigned sections, you're able to see things that are a little bit more useful. However, if you'd like to see the room image, if you'd like to see the unassigned sections, this is where you would uncheck those to see those. Color coding, this is a very good feature that a lot of our properties use. Use sales status color as a background color and use sales status color as an indicator color. We check both of those as you're able to differentiate the different room types and the different statuses at the time of the conference room scheduler. So if you're looking at a conference event or a conference room that may be in the proposed status or maybe in the confirmed status or maybe even the canceled status, you're able to see that there. The color coding joined rooms. Now, what this basically does is maybe you have a ballroom that has sections and that has detachable sections in the middle that can be rented into 3 separate rooms. Well, if you have 2 of those rooms rented that can be used that are joined, well, that's where this comes into play. If you choose a color that's unique to a joined room, then you would want to check this, and you could also check this indicator color as well, where you'd be able to instantly tell that, hey, that's a joined room that was booked, so we can't rent the whole ballroom in whole, just by looking in the conference room scheduler.